Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hobby Dude 007 channel. Real quick video today I want to share with you. I got in the mail yesterday my Model Cars magazine. A couple things in here I want to share with you real quick that I'm excited about and I'm eager to get a look at. Also, I got a Get Well package from my buddy Jeff in the mail, and I want to share that with you as well. I am so excited about it, so stick around. Okay guys, first off, let's look at Model Cars magazine. This is issue 217, and let me grab my Little Luca edition hobby knife, and let's get this thing opened here. And there's a few things in here, as I said, that I really wanted to see. And while I'm getting this thing out of here, if you do not subscribe or don't have handy available Model Cars magazine, I suggest subscribing. I think it's $30 a year for 6 issues, and it's always got some great stuff in there, great articles, all the way from the kit reviews, open box type things, through scratch building. Everything about it is just a great magazine. And thank you guys, the crew there at Model Cars, for all you do to promote and help the hobby as well. Okay, first of all, I have been eager to see something, and I'll read it on my time. But as you see, full color, great mag. Ooh, workbench worthy. Ron Kuhn resins. And by the way, if you hadn't checked out Ron's page or website, get over and do that. You're going to find some absolutely awesome stuff there. Ron Kuhn resins. All right, let's see. I am looking for something. Ooh, I might not get there because I keep running across other stuff. Check out that, guys. Mr. Model Air Cleaners. Is that not beautiful? Okay, enough. I'm on a mission here, so let me get to it. And there it is! Channel surfing. And guess who? Our buddy Matthew with Model Car Videos. All right. And if you're not a subscriber to Matt, or I'm surely most of you guys know about Matthew Inman over at Model Car Videos, head over and check him out. I am tickled to death. He is featured in Channel Surfing this issue. I'd already heard that was coming, but and I know I've seen his video, and he is tickled, but I want to give him a pat on the back publicly here real quick. Check out that Pro Street of his. Is that not something? There's only one drawback to it. He's got a Ford 429, Ford Boss 429 engine in that Oldsmobile. I mean, oh, come on, Matt. And a few other channels, looks like, that they're promoting. But the other thing I wanted to look at, and by the way, if you want to do a rollback or any of these haulers that this one's about, this is, oh, check that out. You know how I love bare metal. Well, I'm getting off-centered again. It's like, ooh, look, a chicken. With this magazine, for me, or Model Car related, it's easier for me to do that. I want to get over here to, I guess I should have when I was on the index page, find out, ooh, I got to come back and look at this. Check out that interior. Oh, come on, man. There it is. Tim Kalankowitz, who is one of the crew with the magazine, did this, and I am looking over my modified, and I'm just like, okay, this is what I want to do. That's what I want to do. I love watching some of the other guys as far as what they're doing, how they're doing it. Kind of get a feel for the model as it is. Clay Kemp's thing on the next gen Camaro was a huge help to me on the chassis as far as how to do things. In fact, I believe Jim with Salvino JR actually agreed and said, yeah, do it his way. So it's always great information, whether it's in the magazine, on the YouTube channels, any of these other content creators. I encourage you to check them all out, give them all a sub, and I'm going to beat this in the ground, guys, but I really believe in it. Give them a sub, give them a thumbs up. You're growing, you're not just helping them, you're helping this hobby as a whole, because when manufacturers, people like that, start seeing more and more and more, whether it's on Facebook, other types of social media, YouTube, whatever, they're more apt to do more for us as the builders. But I'm really eager. Days of the Modified. Oh, that's cool. And he did Cold Trickle's Days of Thunder Modified. And let me tell you, if you're not familiar with these, go to Wes's Model Car Corner. He'll be doing some more, as I understand it, coming up. But these are modern day modifieds. And here's Tim's twist, and is that not cool? But great article. Tim's going to, I'm sure, give you all the ins and outs and do's and don'ts and things. Check out that engine. I love detailing engines. Looks like he did a body modification, which that's a great thing with this hobby. Do it your way. That's an excellent looking chassis there too. Awesome. Oh, check it out. Wow, that is a cool rear axle. This is awesome. Can't wait to actually read it. Tim is an absolutely prolific modeler to begin with. And when I heard he was doing this, I was kind of excited to see what he was going to do and get his take on the kit too. Who's your racing tars? Is that not cool? And the great thing with these modifieds too is they are just that. They are modified. And check out the stance on these things. Low slung. They just look fast sitting still, don't they? And let's see what he's got here. Spray bomb fades. Oh, he's using a spray can to do the fade on the paint. I have never done that. I've always used the airbrush. But based on how this looks, he did an outstanding job there. Well, I'm eager to read this too. Like I said, there's always great stuff to learn. And I've been in the hobby this year. It's 60 years, and I'm still learning. Every day I'll see something or encounter something, and I love it. I love it. Nothing like those light bulb moments. Some really old kits. Oh, Black Widow. I remember doing many of those. And, of course, the very first model kit I ever built was the Green Hornet old monogram kit. And here's contest coverage. They have a lot of this in the issues too. This is the Midwest Scale Madness contest. Oh, check that truck out. Anyway, I shared with you what I was going to share with you out of this. But like I said, if you don't have any means to get a hold of it locally, Model Cars Magazine, and that's the Classic Plastic Model Club 28th Annual Model Car Exhibition. And there's just bukus of stuff. I'd mentioned the box openings and kit reviews. This is on the 25th scale Atlantis Jungle Gym. There's all your parts. Good stuff, guys. Okay. Next up, I got a package in the mail from my buddy Jeff, and he said this is a get well package. So I open the box, and the first thing I pull out is this classic. And guys, this is like an old friend. I probably built about 6 of these things right after they came out in different configurations, numbers, that kind of stuff. This is the 73, and what was cool is there's the decals for the 74 in there. I'll share that with you here in a second. But this classic old kit, and there's not a date on the box that I could find anywhere, but I think it came out in 74. But like I said, you had the decals, the old Slicks decals from for the 1974 version. Isn't that wicked? And they're in really good shape, really are. And I'll share this car with you here in just a sec. And it's pretty much complete. The only thing I couldn't find was the rims, but this one was molded in dark blue. I don't remember them being molded in dark blue. Every one I remember ever buying was in the petty blue or the light blue. I still got some tape on it. But how cool is that? One of the original MPC kits. And it's been sprayed in a light blue, and this is going to go in the purple pond because I've got an idea, something I want to do with this. And there's your glass, and again the dark blue sprue with some parts in here. And there's the tires, and looks like, yeah, that's the chrome sprues in there. Keep them from getting scratched up. And I did not look to see if the original decals were in here. And hey, they are. Wow. Oh, and somebody put a picture of the 74 in here too. How about that? But you know, for the day, back in the 70s when these came out, this whole series, these were actually really great kits. Very accurate, actually, for the day too. You had the, dadgummit, sorry, the window clips, the plates over the door handles, the overflow back here. Hopefully you can see that. The molded in hood pins and stuff. Just cool stuff. And I always like their little Hemi that they put in there too. And notice this one had the bubble hood. You know, a lot of these came with that flat hood. And this had the bubble hood there. I don't know if I was off camera on some of that or not, guys. Sorry about that. Also in this box was a 1969 Roadrunner. Check that out. Another of the MPC, the really nice little Hemis, if I can get it out of there. Hemi. It's missing the A-pillar here. That can be fixed, but I've actually got another idea in mind for this car. And it's even got the spoiler back there too. But got an idea with this one. Will go in the purple pond too. I think it'll make a good addition to a junkyard I have from, well, I'll let that be a surprise down the road. All right. And in my video on Holy Grails, I shared with you that there was a car that a buddy of mine, Larry, and I had so much fun with, and that was a 1972 Dodge Charger. And you can see the picture of the real car here. And this was just one of those cars from our youth that we just had a blast with. This is in Larry's garage to this day, right now. It needs some work, obviously, but it's in his garage, and I want that car. So, Larry, if you're listening, you got to sell me that car now. And this is a picture of, yes, that's me. That's Hobby Dude with the trophy on the Charger there. Had a lot of fun with this car, as those cars of our youth go. And I've looked for this kit on and off for years. And I found just a box once that was in excellent shape. I got excited because I thought I found the kit and it was just the box. But it's very difficult to find a 72 that's got the louvered doors, little vent things in the door there, and the bubble hood and all that. And so when I saw this, and when Jeff told me he'd found it, I just, oh man, I was excited. And Jeff, I can't tell you, I'm not on any pain meds anymore because I don't need them. This has been an excellent medicine for me, brother. Check that out. It's been painted. I thought originally it was just the white plastic, or it was clear coated or painted, because there's a little bit of orange peel in a couple of spots. That doesn't matter. It's going to get the purple pond, and it's gonna look like the pictures I was showing you when I'm done. Is that not just cool? I have been so excited about this. And this has, Yeah, it's just January, Jeff, and you've made my year. But is that not awesome? Awesome, awesome, awesome. But look forward to this one big time. And Jeff, I know I've said it about 300 times, but brother, thank you so much. Great memories. This is going to be cherished, spot on the shelf, big time. Well, that's it for today, guys. I've got the intro video for the anti-static brush done, just the intro, and I'm going to be spending some time tomorrow actually giving it a workout. I want to try some stuff from dusting to static removing and maybe even a little painting. So in the next day or next few days, I'll have a video up on that because I am just excited about using that. The comments I've gotten in the video on that has been great. Everybody that's got them, I didn't have a single person say anything negative about it, so I am really excited about using that too. So thank you guys for your comments and opinions on that too. Well, guys, that's it for this time. If you're not a subscriber, as always, head over and hit that subscription button and visit the Teespring store, of course, and get yourself a hoodie or t-shirt, something like that. Coffee mug. Your coffee's going to taste so much better in a Hobby Dude 007 mug. I have testimonials. Guys, that's it for right now. God bless. Have an awesome week, and I will see you in the next video. See you guys.